All right, I'm going to talk to you about our herringbone products and why they're so unique in the industry. So this is Sisu. Just like Old Town, it's pre-finished square edge herringbone. So what that means is that it has a finish applied in the factory and it's cured. It's a UV cured acrylic, so it's cured in an oven, which makes it very, very hard and durable. And it's square edge, so there's no bevel or eased edge around the edge of the plank itself. So when you install this product, it's completely tabletop flat. It looks as if you installed and then sanded and finished the floor to make it like an old, very old herringbone floor. No one else can really do it. It takes a lot of precise milling in the factory, and that's what makes this product unique. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you zoom in here, you can see when I put these boards together, it's completely tabletop flat. And so the boxes show up, you take them out of the box, you glue them down, you weight them just like you typically would, and once that glue is dried, it's ready to go. It's going to save you a ton of time and money from a labor perspective, and you get a higher quality finish with a European produced herringbone product.